Drawing as a medium, it not only entertains people, it somehow gives them the strength. I believe that personally for me, it has been a reason to stay out of the everyday frustration of daily life, daily work, people. So that was the very reason, I think, as I read somewhere in different articles in Wikipedia and all, that the comic books, mostly the DC comics and Marvel comics, they started during the world wars and all. So drawing has been a medium of growing heroes within ourselves. Like somehow we look up to these people that we think are superheroes. They stay within us. So among them has always been Wolverine for me. He has been a kind of a superhero personally for me, who is able to heal his own problems, difficulties. That is what is shown in the comics, in the movies and everywhere, that he is able to heal his own injuries. So it somehow depicts that Wolverine can always somehow heal his own injuries himself. So that is what we all try to achieve, isn't it? That we should be able to heal ourselves. I had sketched Wolverine, I remember, when I was a kid, but not for this channel. I don't remember any. So I thought, let's draw this one. So welcome back to the channel. I felt drawing in a longer version this time again. I thought let's do it a bit in details. If you all would like to draw superheroes again, then you should go ahead. Started with the pencil sketch, as you could see, and then did some basic outlines. Then I used this simple color pencils. You can use any color pencils that you find around. They do not need to be costly at all. These are not really costly. They're pretty cheap, and all I wanted to do is achieve the best results as I can with these pencils. Now obviously you have to give a bit more of an effort when things are not that expensive, so you have to be very sure about exactly what you want in the final result. Keeping that in mind, I think the pencils really responded quite well, and I kept on drawing with all of these. I kept thinking about the final outcome, so I kept a space for my pencil work to end and the outline work to again start, because once I finish the play of shadows and lights and everything, colors and blacks, so once it is finished, then I'll have to jump in to make the finishing touches, and that is what is obviously the most important thing, because if you do not finish well, your sketch does not look as premium as it should. That is what I feel mostly about comic book sketches is very important. I tried to do that hatching thing, but I thought, let's keep it in my own style and not concentrate too much on hatching and cross hashing. I did it a bit obviously at the end, but not that much. So the colors that I chose were around 6 to 7 only. I wanted to keep myself within these many colors. That would have helped me bring kind of patience inside me. You do not have that many colors to play around in the sketch, so that helps you realize that what is the importance of using each color very well. That is something I really have learned over the years by drawing so many different style of drawings. I was quite curious to know whether you guys like these kinds of drawing, or do you like scenery So I was thinking about drawing some paintings or something in my sketchbook again in a longer format. Please let me know what you think about that, or what you would want me to draw next. You can always give me suggestions. That definitely enriches my videos, my number of drawings, and different style of drawings. I always love to use different mediums, and that is why this time I have chosen pencil colors, these simple pencil colors, that even if you are not having a lot amount of money to spend for a sketch, you can easily get that and start working. So you can use these techniques that I have shown in this sketch in any kind of comic drawings. You can use it in anime drawings also. I believe that color pencils will really look very good in anime sketches also. I'm thinking of going back again to anime in some shorts, maybe in the coming few weeks. So let's see how it comes out to be. I was quite a lot happy with how it ended up as this drawing. This was a poster from, I think, around the 90s. There was a comics for Wolverine specifically dedicated to Wolverine. I saw that one and tried it. I just kept Wolverine. I did not add the background or the trees, whatever was there around. I kept it. I tried to keep it simple. I hope you guys liked it. I would love to know your thoughts about this drawing. Please share your comments. I love to read all that you have to say, and if you like it, then let your friends know. Please share it and show the love. If you are new to this channel, I would request you guys to subscribe if you are liking my videos, and if not, then please help me improve my drawings by giving all the different and very important comments. Here it is, Wolverine for you. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.